If you've ever wanted a quick, affordable way to cool off in the backyard but ended up with flimsy plastic that leaks, collapses, or just doesn't hold up, then you know why choosing the right inflatable pool matters. But with so many inflatable pools out there, picking the right one can feel overwhelming. Some don't last more than a few uses, others are hard to set up, and a few just aren't big enough for your family or space. So in this video, I'll be going over the 8 best inflatable pools that are actually worth buying. Whether you're looking for something for young kids, a large family, or just a chill spot to relax on hot days, there's an option here for you. Each pool on this list stands out for a different reason, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your space and budget. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these inflatable pools aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Members Mark Family Pool. This is the most budget-friendly inflatable pool for small yards on our list. If you want to cool off without spending a lot or setting up something complicated, then this family pool is worth looking at. It's about 10 feet long, so it fits well in smaller yards. But it feels roomy once you're inside. You're going to have 2 inflatable seats with backrests in it, so you can sit and relax instead of crouching in the water. Inflation is simple due to the 2-in-1 valve, which also makes deflating quick when you're done. Once it's filled, the pool feels stable, especially if you place it on flat ground. It's made from durable, puncture-resistant material, so it can handle regular summer use. It also comes with a repair patch, which is nice to have just in case. Size-wise, it inflates to about 120 by 110 inches, with an 18-inch wall and taller backrest for support. And when deflated, it folds down easily for storage. Catherine puts it as, "The size is just right, and for my small kids, it's not even as deep as they take their baths, so I have peace of mind when they're in it." This is our 4th season, and it's still good as new, stays inflated, and doesn't leak at all. So if you want a simple, comfortable pool that keeps costs low and still gets the job done, the Members Mark Family Pool is the best budget-friendly pick. Number 7 is the Eve A Joy Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool. This is the simplest inflatable pool for small yards on our list. This one has an easy setup without a whole project. It comes in a 10-foot by 30-inch size, which is big enough for a family but still fits nicely in smaller yards. You can have up to 5 people in it, and it holds about 956 gallons of water, so it feels like a real pool, not just a splash zone. And as for the setup, it's pretty straightforward. Place it on a flat ground, inflate the top ring, and start filling it with water. As it fills, the pool rises on its own. And draining is simple too, due to 2 water valves that help the water flow out faster when you're done. Now, the material is also solid. It uses thick BPA free PVC that's about 50% thicker than most inflatable pools. You're also going to have 3 separate air chambers, which helps keep it stable and reduces leaks. Even if one chamber has an issue, the others stay inflated. It also comes with a pool cover, which is great for keeping leaves and dirt out when it's not in use. Plus, there's UV protection to help stop fading from the sun. So if you want a pool that's quick to set up, easy to manage, and perfect for smaller yards, the Eva Joy Easy Set Pool is the simplest choice you can make. Number 6 is the Sable Blow-Up Swimming Pool. This is the most compact inflatable pool on our list. This one is best if you want something easy to set up and easy to put away when summer's over. It's big enough to enjoy, but it doesn't take over your whole yard. It's about 92 inches long, 56 inches wide, and 20 inches tall, which works well for a small family or a few kids splashing around. Plus, it feels solid for a compact pool. It's made from thick, non-toxic PVC that's about 50% thicker than most pools like this. That means lower chances of punctures and a more stable feel when people lean on the sides. It also has 3 separate air chambers, so the pool keeps its shape and doesn't sag. Now, the setup is quick. It can inflate in just a few minutes with an electric pump. Draining is fast too, thanks to the dual water valves and a vertical drain pipe that lets water flow out easily. It holds around 162 gallons of water, which is enough to cool off without taking forever to fill. And as for the design, it has a clean blue look with a white top ring that reflects heat, so the edge doesn't feel too hot on your arms. So if you want a pool that's easy to store and perfect for smaller spaces, the Sable Blow-Up Pool is the most compact option you can pick. Number 5 is the Intex Swim Center Inflatable Family Pool. This is the best lounge-style family pool on our list. You're going to have a bench with a backrest in this pool, so you can sit and relax while staying cool instead of standing or floating around. It's also great if you want to keep an eye on the kids without hovering the whole time. The size is perfect for families. It measures about 90 inches by 86 inches and stands 31 inches tall. So there's enough room to spread out without it feeling crowded. Now it holds around 156 gallons of water, which keeps it light enough to manage but still fun for splash time. It's made from thick 13-gauge vinyl, so it feels sturdy and not flimsy. The pool also has 2 air chambers with combo valves, which makes inflation and deflation pretty quick. You're also going to have small but useful extras, like 2 cup holders for drinks and a repair patch just in case something goes wrong. So if you want a family pool made for sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying the water together, the Intex Swim Center is the best lounge-style option you can get. And if you want to know the latest prices for the inflatable pools discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Blue Wave Premier Inflatable Pool. This is the most durable family inflatable pool on our list. This one is more like a backyard lounge than a basic inflatable pool. It's square-shaped, about 88 inches on each side, and has enough room for up to 4 people to sit comfortably. It has cushioned seats with backrests. You can sit back and relax without floating around or sitting on the ground. With this one, you're also going to have cup holders, which is small but really useful. So everything stays within reach. Now, the pool holds about 785 gallons of water, so it feels full and stable without being too deep for kids. And durability is a big reason this one made to the list. It's made from heavy-duty triple-layer vinyl. The structure has multiple air chambers to help it stay firm and balanced. Setup is quick since it inflates fast, and when you're done, the drain plug makes emptying it way easier. It also comes with a matching cover to keep leaves and dirt out, plus a repair patch for quick fixes if needed. So if you're looking for a family inflatable pool that feels comfortable and is built to last all season, the Blue Wave Premier is the most durable option to choose. Number 3 is the Summer Waves Quick-Set Inflatable Ring Pool. This is the best deep inflatable pool on our list. With a 42-inch wall, the size is a nice middle ground at 15 feet wide. It gives plenty of space without taking over your whole yard. And the setup is pretty straightforward. You lay it out on the ground cloth, inflate the top ring, and as you fill it with water, the pool rises on its own. It's made from thick 3-ply material, so it can handle kids jumping in and adults leaning on the sides. You're also going to have a full starter kit with it. There's an RX 1000 filter pump to keep the water moving, a sure step ladder so getting in and out is easier, a cover to help keep leaves out, and that ground cloth to protect the bottom. And once it's filled, it feels sturdy and ready for everyday summer use. So if you want an inflatable pool that's deep and feels more like a real pool than a splash pad, the Summer Waves Quick Set is the best deep option to go with. Number 2 is the Intex Rainbow Slide. This is the best inflatable pool for kids on our list. And this isn't just a pool. You'll have a small waiting area for younger kids, a main pool for splashing, and a water slide that kids can go down over and over without getting bored. I like that it's packed a lot into one setup. There's a fish sprayer you hook up to a garden hose so water keeps spraying while they play. Then you're gonna have games built right in, like a ring toss, ball roller, and a ball toss. So even when kids aren't sliding, they'll have something to do. And the setup is pretty easy. You inflate it, connect the hose, and that's it. It's made for kids ages 2 and up, and the size is just right at about 9.75 feet long and 6.3 feet wide. It holds around 206 liters of water, so it's fun but still easy to manage. And the cleanup is simple too, thanks to the drain plug. This is what Brandolin wrote. Right. This pool is the perfect size and shape for our 2-year-old. Had 10 kids, all different ages over, and everyone enjoyed it very much. Plastic seems quality and durable enough for toddler play. The animals are adorable and hold air well. Just love it. Definitely worth the purchase. So if you want an inflatable pool that keeps kids busy, active, and smiling for hours, the Intex Rainbow Slide is easily the best pick for kids. Number 1 is the Intex Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool. This is the best overall inflatable pool on our list, and as for the size, it's solid. It's 15 feet wide and 48 inches deep, so there's enough room for kids to splash around and adults to relax. It holds around 3,700 gallons of water, which makes it feel more like a backyard escape than a kiddie pool. The material is thick, 3-ply PVC, so it can handle rough summer use. And if something does happen, a repair patch is included. You're also going to have a 1000 GPH filter pump with hydroaeration, which helps keep the water moving and clear, plus a removable ladder that's sturdy and rust resistant. The pool cover is handy too for keeping debris out when you're done for the day. So if you want an inflatable pool that's big enough for the whole family and feels like a real upgrade for summer, the Intex Easy Set is easily the best overall choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect inflatable pool. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each inflatable pool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.